Hey everyone, this is Joe. Just wanted to make you aware of an updated feature to the job flow board. We've had many requests for multiple job flow boards, but our biggest concern was always if we had too many job flow boards, would cards get lost? Could it get confusing? So what we decided to do is make job flow views, which is, in my opinion, better. So let me show you how it works. You go under My Board, and so if you click that, this could be you looking at every single column that's available to look at. If you want to just name it with your name, you can. If you want to put a little description about it, you can. I recommend that My Board remains all of the views, but you can do whatever you want with that. But then you can create other views for the job flow board as well. So let's say that you're just involved with production. So I can name this board production. I can say this only pertains to the fabrication stages. I can select pre-production, production, subcontract, service, whatever. And then basically you save it, and I save. And now if I click out of here, it's just going to show me the columns that pertain to fabrication. Again, you can do it with sales. Let's say you only dealt with everything up to where it was sold and went into pre-production. So you basically just create, you look at these, you select rather the columns that pertain to that. Maybe you want to keep the closeout and archive on there just to see them in there. And then you just save it and it saves it. And then you can just select it and it automatically takes you to it, to that view. So let me just show you one more time how you do it. So you come under your board, it would say, or whatever the last view you selected. I'm going to say it's a new view. And so we're going to call this one design. And so we'll say this one is design. And we can just say, I was playing with this earlier, so I'll go all things design. You can also make this board just private, or you can make it visible to everyone. And then from here, you would just select the columns that you wanted to look at that were pertaining to design. So maybe you have, design. And you can even add more columns if you want to. Let's say it's design, design in progress, design completed. Then you would select those, and then you don't have to have anything else other than just the columns that you want to show. So just unselect the ones that are there. And again, you can go out and add more columns, then come back here and then select them. They'll show up. But let's just save this one, and that's it. Of course, I only had 2 columns in this one, so I didn't add additional columns. But anyway, you get how it works. Now I can come back here and I can go, okay, I just want to see my board. I want to see everything. Anyway, that is the job flow views. I think this is extremely helpful. If you have any questions on how it might be helpful in your shop, please hit us up on the chat. Also, play around with it. We'd really like to get your feedback. Thanks again. We appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your week.